In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up coupons inside Kajabi. And there's a couple different options, so stick with me. In your dashboard, head over to Sales and then scroll down to Coupons and click that. Now this is a test account, so we've got some test coupons set up in here. On the main area, you can see all of the coupons you've created here. You can also segment by single coupons, so you can see one disappeared, or bulk coupons. We don't have the option to segment at this time for coupons that are set up for the cart specifically, so just note that. So let's talk about the different coupon codes that we can create. Let's create a new coupon. We can create coupons based on offers. So if you're selling a course or a coaching program and you have an offer created, you can create a coupon and apply that discount to that specific offer or multiple offers. You can also do a cart order. So now that Kajabi has the cart feature, if someone adds, let's say, 3 different things to their cart, you can give them an amount or a percentage off of their entire cart, which is very cool. Let's take a look at the offer coupon first. So we're going to click next here, and then we can select a single coupon or a bulk coupon. So a single coupon is just one coupon code, and you can apply it to as many offers as you want. So let's do test 100, and we can do a percentage off, and we can type 20%, or we can do an amount, and let's say we want to do $25 off. And then you'll select your currency, scroll down, pick US dollars, and then you can have the duration. So do you want this to happen one time? Do you want it to happen multiple times? This comes into play when you're setting up a subscription-based offer. And let's say it's $100 a month and you want to give someone an offer of $25 off every single month. You would select repeating and you would tell how many months. You could say forever if you don't ever want the discount to stop. Or you can say, for the first 6 months, I want them to get $25 off and then they'll pay the full price. Or maybe it's just once. Maybe the first month is discounted. So we'll have 1 month and then you can set an expiration date. So once this expiration date hits, so let's say we're going to say this coupon is valid through June 30th, then the coupon will no longer be able to be accessed or used after this date. Okay, so we're going to do it once. We're going to have an expiration date and we're going to go ahead and set that up. Now, once you go through and set it up, this is when you then add the offers. So now you can select what offers you want. So again, this is just a test account, but we can select multiple offers. So if there are 2 different, maybe you have the gardening payment plan and the gardening 101, we can go ahead and set that and click done. Here I want to point out this discount link. So you can either tell everyone, hey, go ahead and put the coupon code test100 in, and that will apply your discount. If you want to make it really easy for people, maybe you're putting it in an email and you just say, use this link or click this button to get $25 off, you can then hyperlink the exact discount link for a particular offer. If you have multiple offers here, then you're going to want to just say use the coupon code test100 because then they can apply it to any offer. If you're linking it up to particular offers and you don't want to have them worry about typing in a code, typing it in wrong or whatnot, then you can just use the discount link. So maybe we want to remove this offer. It's only available for this one, and we want to use the discount link. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the URL up here just to show you this is not designed at all because this is a test account, but you can see it did apply the $25 off right here. They didn't have to put in a code or anything. If you look at the URL that it created, it's with the offers coupon code, and it does have the coupon code at the back end of it. So that's how you can kind of double check that this is the coupon code. Your customer doesn't need to know that, but that's just an awareness for you. Okay, so let's go back. We'll hit done. And you can, let's see. You can come back in and add other offers after the fact, but you cannot change any of the information up here. So just note that. If we look at bulk orders, so if we were to do the coupon code, select offer, and select the bulk option, this is what it will look like. We'll select the coupon type. It's a bulk code. We're doing a percentage off, the amount off, one time, and then we've got to put in the amount of coupons that we wanted. So let's create a new one. We'll do offer the same, and we'll select bulk code instead. So you can kind of see some of the information change down here. Single option, we had this duration. Bulk code, that changed. Coupon name, bulk test, and let's do a percentage. So we're going to give 10%, and the amount of coupons. Let's say we've got a group of 10 that we want to give coupon codes to. So we'll just say 10 people. Now, one might think this would be amazing if you want to put an offer out there and say for the first 10 people that use this code, then they get that percentage off. That's not how it works. It creates 10 or however many you say codes that you can now give to people. So you cannot put out an email and say the first 10 to use XYZ code gets this deal. You have to actually give out these codes. So the only time I could see this valuable is if, let's say you have a group of people, you're going to send them individual messages and say, hey, here's your code. Hey, here's your code. Here's your code, right? So you can copy that code and send it to them. So just to note that the other way is you're not able to do that. What it allows you to do is if you do need to create multiple individual codes for particular people, it allows you to set this up once and get those codes versus having to go create 10 different coupon codes to give to people. Okay, so that is a quick note on that. And let's go see, after you create it, I don't believe, so you can add other offers, but there's no other edits that you can make to this. So it's just adding or subtracting offers. Then let's look at the cart offer. So let's create a new coupon. Let's do a cart order. Again, this is if you want to give them a percentage or an amount off of their entire cart. So you would create a coupon code here. Let's say we want it to be fall 10%. So we're going to do fall 10 percentage off. We're going to do 10. You can make your code whatever you want. This is what they're going to enter to get the discount. And then here's an interesting thing that you can do. You can set it to be a minimum purchase setting. So if you are only offering this code on purchases of $100 or more, you can set that here. So I can say, I only want this discount to be available if they've spent $100 US dollars. I do not have to have an expiration date. I can pick something if I want, or if you just want this to be open-ended, but maybe we're like, hey, this is gonna be set for the fall and it's gonna end November 1st, because that's when we're saying the fall is ending. So then we'll click continue. And we've got our information here. It's an order coupon, the coupon code, what the percent is, and with the expiration date. Here you can adjust the minimum purchase settings after you've already created the code. So if you decide, actually, I want to make this $50, you can go ahead and save that. And now the new amount is they have to spend $50 to get 10%. You can also turn this off. If you're like, hey, I just want anyone to get the 10%, you can turn it off and you can save it and then instruct them to use the coupon. So that is the overall gist of how to use coupons. If you're ready to build your website on Kajabi and start selling your offers, use our referral link to get started, get a free trial, and you'll get our one-page website in a day resource completely free. This is a pre-designed template that's going to help you get your one-pager set up in no time, complete with our magic AI website writer to use AI to write your copy for you, and a pre-designed template that gives you everything you need to just plug your copy in, swap out your images and colors, and go. And it even includes 50 pre-designed brand color options so you can look like a professional without having to do all of the work and research to find your colors. Use the link below to get started today.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on branding, copy, and design. Want more? Check out this video next.